Republic Day. The Republic Day is also known as Ganatantra Divas. On this day, in 1950, our constitution came into effect. Every year, our president hoists the national flag in New Delhi. A big parade is held at the India Gate. The Republic Day teaches us to live with peace and unity. Happy Republic Day! Jai Hind! Vande Mataram!
Good morning, everyone. Republic Day is the national festival of India. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January. The Constitution of India came into force in this day. Our president gives a speech in the name of nation. The national flag is only hoisted in schools and colleges. This day is celebrated with great patriotism. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Respected principal sir and all my respected teacher, I would like to say thank you to give me such a great opportunity to speak something on Republic Day. My name is Aradhya Murarka of class 2A. Today we all here to celebrate 72 Republic Day of our nation. We celebrate Republic Day in India every year. 26th of January has the Constitution of India got into force at this day. India turned into cellular and democratic-based nation on this day. Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. This is a great occasion for all of us. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning to all. A very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January every year. On this day, 1950, the Constitution of India came into force. This Constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Republic Day celebrated as national festival in India. This year we are celebrating 72nd Republic Day. This day gives the message of solidarity, equality and harmony. Once again, wish you a very happy Republic Day. Thank you. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram. Bharat Mata ki jai.
कोई माने ना यहाँ अपनी भी थोड़ी अदा थोड़ा अंदाज है ऐसे है चाहे वैसे है अरे जो भी है जैसे है खुद पे हम नाज है जानबाज हम जानसाज हम इश्कबाज दिल वाले कहते हैं हमको प्यार से दिया वाले छूते दिल के तार से दिया वाले हर जीत ले हार से दिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले दुश्मन के छक्के छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी अपनी छतरी तुमको दे दे कभी जबर से पानी कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको चीज पुरानी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी 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 थोड़े अनाड़ी है थोड़े खिलाड़ी रुक रुक के चलती है अपनी गाड़ी थोड़े अनाड़ी है थोड़े खिलाड़ी रुक रुक के चलती है अपनी गाड़ी हमें प्यार चाहिए और कुछ पैसे भी हम ऐसे भी हैं हम हैं वैसे भी हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी उल्टी सीधी जैसी भी है अपनी यही कहानी थोड़ी हम में होशियारी है थोड़ी है नादानी थोड़ी हम में सच्चाई है थोड़ी बेईमानी
Dear principal, teacher and friends, as we all Republic Day celebration. I am excited and glad to get chance to say something about our country. We celebrate Republic Day on January 26th, the day when the Constitution.
Good morning to all. A very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26th January. On this day, India became Republic. The country got its constitution on this day in 1950. A large parade is organized in New Delhi. All the three wings of army take part in this parade. The participants take salute from the marching jawan. Colorful thagis are present by all the athletes. The school students present on the Republic Day is very important for all of us. We should understand the importance of this day. Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Bharat Mata ki Jai.
हम लोगों को समझ सको तो समझो दिल भर जानी, जितना भी तुम समझोगे उतनी होगी हैरानी, उतनी जल्दी तुमको देते कभी जबर से पानी, कभी नए पैकेट में बेचे तुमको 20 पुरानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी।
Good morning everyone. My name is Arpi Jha and I wish you all a very happy Republic Day. Republic Day is celebrated on 26 January. Republic Day is a national festival and is celebrated all over the country. On this day, our constitution came into force. Flag hosting ceremonies and parades are held in different parts of country. People sing patriotic songs. We should thank the great freedom fighters for their struggle for our independence. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
My name is Arpita. Wheel तुम बचो, दिल तुम बचलो, हाथ में तो जले, बाल का सजले, ध्वज कभी झुकने, दल कभी लुकने, व्हील तुम बचलो, दिल तुम बचलो, सामने पालो, सिंह की डालो, तुम निडल दलो नहीं, तुम निडल दलो वहीं, व्हील तुम बचो, दिल तुम बचलो, मेड बरसते हैं, बिजलियां तरफ फूटे, व्हील तुम बचो, दिल तुम बचलो। जय हिंद, जय भारत। थैंक यू मैम।